Hey, it's Mac. Welcome to Holistic Health Talk. Today, I'm going to get into my favorite dishes, and I'm telling you, they are nutrient dense, and these dishes will get you the nutrition and the flavor that you want out of food. So, if that's what you're interested in, don't go nowhere because we're going to get right into the video. All right, hey, let me tell y'all, I am not a cook. That's what I want to say first. I'm not a cook. I do not like cooking. So if I can make these dishes, I think just about anybody can make a vegan or vegetarian dish. My green juice drink, Max green juice drink. Because I work out still, okay, and play tennis, I had to have me something that was highly nutrient dense, you know, because I don't believe in eating the standard American breakfast. So I have to be careful how I break that fast. And I break that fast with my green juice drink, you know. And I usually put some of my green superfood powder in there, which is called Nature's Harvest. Cause this Nature's Harvest, boy, I'm telling you, it have all of those good algae, spirulina, all the types of vitamins and minerals and antioxidants and stuff that you need, you know, to do a rigorous workout. I'm telling you, it just adds a punch to that thing. You know what I'm saying? Adds a real punch. It's vegan. It's free of gluten. It's also dairy free and lactose free. So you don't have to worry about those things. Let me tell you some of the ingredients in this thing. I mean, it's loaded with all kinds of fruits, vegetables, algae, herbs, whole foods, all of that good stuff. I've been taking and using this, putting it in my juice drink in the morning for over 15 years. So let me just tell y'all a little bit about what's inside of this. It has vitamin C, pea protein, brown rice, copper, matcha, flaxseed, alfalfa, pea fiber, chia seed, chlorella, spinach, grape seed extract. And let me just tell you about our matcha. It's a little different from other matchas because it's ceremonial grade. Yes. That means you have to go to Japan to get this. You can't get ceremonial grade anywhere else but in Japan. Our company goes there and gets the best quality matcha, which is the active ingredient in green tea. So if you're not getting ceremonial grade, yeah, your green tea may be all right, but it's not super like Mac's super smoothie will be. Okay, you're gonna also get garbanzo bean, lemon bioflavonoids in there. I mean, I could go on and on. Horsetail, a lot of herbs, algae, and vitamins and minerals to help you get through the day. So let me get right into it and tell y'all the ingredients of my green juice drink. All right, this is my green morning juice drink. You know, I don't eat the standard American diet. Some of y'all may know that. And of course, I have a video on that. It talks about why I don't eat the standard American breakfast. And my green juice drink is my main meal in the morning. What you need is 2 green apples. And of course, since apples have some arsenic in it, which is usually around the seeds or in the seeds, and then I core my apples. I always core them. And green apples have less arsenic than any other apples, than any of the other apples. So you want to core your apples. Put 2 green apples, and this all is going to go into a blender, a high-speed blender. Now, of course, I have a Vitamix, but I don't think they want me to advertise or promote them no more because they took my link away, y'all. So, you know, they told me you wasn't selling no Vitamix. I'm like, hey, I'm sorry. So I do use one because this, to me, Vitamix is the best blender I've seen out there. And I have one that I bought way back in 1994. Yep, that's how long I've been using that blender. But just recently, I think it was in December of last year, which was only about 3, 4 months ago, I bought a new Vitamix, which is the A2500. And actually, I have a video on that where I do the unboxing of my A2500 if y'all want to see that one. Now, let's get back into this recipe. So, you're going to use 2 green apples for this morning juice drink, 1 cucumber. Now, I use all organic ingredients. Now, I told y'all why organic is best because you don't want the pesticides and stuff. You don't want that in your body. And always try to get them in season. So 1 cucumber, you're going to actually have to peel that cucumber, peel the skin, whether it's organic or not. I always peel the skin. And then I use 1 banana, 1 lemon. Of course, you're going to peel the lemon. And then you need 1 handful of spinach or kale, 1 or 2. Now, if you want to use, I use spinach because I just love spinach. And I think spinach, well, from my research, of course, spinach has more minerals, vitamins than kale. You know, I know it's been a lot of talk about kale and how good it is, boo, 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 boo. Yeah, kale is good, but I feel spinach is more nutrient dense. And that's from my research, y'all. So you can put 1 handful of spinach or 1 handful of kale. You can put them both in there. Or if you just want spinach, you can put 1 or 2 handfuls of spinach. Okay? And then you want 1 stalk of celery, chop it up. And now I used to use apple juice. And you need about 4 cups of apple juice, to put this in the blender so you can move around those ingredients. But as y'all know, Mac evolves, and I learned coconut water is better because it don't make the juice froth up. You know, when you make your juice, you get this real frothy stuff at the top. That's what happens when you use apple juice. So I didn't like that because I always have to dip the froth out and throw it, down the sink. So when I use coconut water, it does not froth at the top of your juice after it's blended. So you can use 1 can of coconut water, which is about equivalent to 1 cup or 2 cups. Or you can go ahead and use the 4 cups of apple juice if you don't mind the froth on top. I put all that in my Vitamix blender, blend it up, and hey, I'm telling you, this juice is the best juice you want to drink in the morning because you're getting all the nutrients that you need. Now, y'all know I don't like to cook, even though I got these recipes. So I make up like 2 or 3 mason jars of this juice. So I don't have to be making it every day. I'm not that selective where I need to make my juice fresh every day. Nah, that's taking up too much time for me. And a lot of these new vegan and vegetarians coming on, they want something quick and fast. So I would suggest that you make 2 or 3 mason jars. You can get those, the storage jars that they make. Let me come down, y'all. The storage jars that they make for pickling and other things for food. I get some of those. They like 32 ounces, glass mason jars, and they have that top on it that you can twist the top on, and it seals the ingredients so no air gets in. So you don't have to worry about your juice breaking down. The nutrients won't break down. You can make 2 or 3 jars of that. That way you don't have to be running in the kitchen every day trying to make the juice. You have it already made. So that's what I do. And I'm telling you, I love it. Now, my green powder, I put that in there to give it a little spike, like I say, to give it, that extra punch, that extra punch I give it with my Nature's Harvest superfood. It's a superfood. And I'll have a picture of that, for those that's interested. Or either look in the description. I'll probably have the stock number, and you can go on Max Herb Shop to check out that. But I put that in there because I work out, I play tennis, I'm pretty uh, vigorous during my day, and I just want to make sure I have enough nutrients, you know, when I'm breaking the fast in the morning. Hey, just leave me a comment. Leave a comment down below, y'all, if you have something that you want to say or mention. Tell me which recipe you like best. Give me some kind of comment, okay? Tell me how you like this video. All right, that's all we have today, folks. Thanks for stopping by Holistic Health Talk.